Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring a crucial standard that ensures security companies operate effectively and ethically. ISO 18788. If you are in the private security industry or interested in global security standards, this video is for you. Let's get started. ISO 18788 is an international standard that provides a structured framework for managing security operations. It is designed for private security companies to ensure compliance with legal, regulatory, and human rights obligations while maintaining operational efficiency. In simple terms, it helps private security firms operate with transparency, accountability, and professionalism. But why does this matter? Let's take a look. Why is ISO 18788 important for private security companies? Security operations involve high risk, legal complexities, and ethical responsibilities. Without a structured approach, security firms may struggle with compliance, risk management, and reputation. ISO 18788 ensures that companies are not only following best practices but also protecting clients, employees, and communities. Here are the key reasons why ISO 18788 is vital for private security companies. Enhanced risk management. ISO 18788 provides a structured approach to identifying, assessing, and mitigating security risk. This helps security firms proactively address potential threats, ensuring a safer environment for both clients and employees. Stronger credibility. Companies that adopt ISO 18788 demonstrate professionalism and reliability. This builds trust with clients, stakeholders, and regulatory bodies, helping firms secure more contracts and long-term partnerships. Legal compliance. The security industry operates under various national and international laws. ISO 18788 helps companies align their operations with legal and human rights standards, reducing the risk of non-compliance and legal disputes. Improved operational efficiency. By implementing standardized security management processes, companies can streamline their workflows, reduce redundancies, and enhance overall efficiency, leading to better service delivery. Competitive advantage. In a crowded market, ISO 18788 certification sets companies apart from their competitors. It serves as proof of their commitment to best practices, making them more attractive to clients seeking reputable security providers who can benefit from ISO 18788. ISO 18788 is not just for security companies. It is beneficial for any organization managing security risk, including private security service providers, government agencies overseeing security operations, businesses that outsource security services. If your organization deals with security management, this standard can help strengthen your processes. ISO 18788 is a game changer in the private security sector. It provides a clear framework to enhance security operations while maintaining legal and ethical integrity. What are your thoughts on ISO 18788? Drop a comment below, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and subscribe for more valuable content. See you in the next video. Stay safe and stay informed.